Today, we're going to talk about how I turned a $200 trade into a $1,000 profit. I'm going to break down exactly what I did today to make $1,000 before noon. I think most people get into day trading and they don't want to be stuck at their desk all day. Some people get the bug and they get roped into trading all day, every day. That's not what I ever wanted to do, and I don't think that's what the listeners and the audience here at my channel want to do either. So we're always focused not just on trading profitably, but trading profitably in as short of a period of time as possible. Don't want to be married to the desk all day. I don't need to call the whole move. I need to come in, get my green, be done, do it again tomorrow. In fact, if you look at my statistics, the last 2 weeks, basically since last Monday, I'm up over $4,000. I have a 63% win rate. My profit factor is 1.8. and I'm winning 71% of the days. As you can see, I had a red day to start the week on Monday. We're going to go over that. Tuesday, bounced back really well. And then today, finishing my week, so to speak, strong. Finishing the week because I'm actually headed to Los Angeles today. Friday, we have a conference I'm speaking at with David Capablanca and Tom Hugard, the guy that wrote The Best Loser Wins. So I'm super excited to see some of you there and meet Tom and meet everybody. I'm really looking forward to that. Before I go further, we actually are going to be selling tickets for our next event, which is in May in Florida. It's a 2-day immersive boot camp. Tickets are going to go on sale Thursday, October 16th. Mark the calendar. Early bird discounts will be available. You'll be able to finance it, split payment it, make it as affordable as possible to have you join us in Tampa. If you remember, I posted a ton of videos from last year's event. We have a ton of footage from it. Go watch that on my channel. Go see what you would see if you would like to be there for this next event. We're looking to do basically double the size. I've got twice as many guest speakers. It's going to be an amazing event. A lot of networking, a lot of panels, a lot of group breakout sessions, a lot of live trading. It's going to be awesome. But anyway, let's get into it. So I'm trading Top 1 Futures instant funded accounts. By the way, Top 1 Futures is dropping TradeZella. If it's not already out now, that is coming very, very soon. So get excited. I know a lot of you want to trade through TradingView. That's now going to be available with Top 1 Futures. So use the link in the description. Use the discount code ASFX at Top 1 Futures. That'll save you up to 55% on any challenge with them. Today's trades were really, really good, everybody. Really, really good. So let's go over it. First, I was long pre-market today, as you can see, from 67.70 into 67.74. Notice the purple VWAP here is above the dotted line and the light blue line. These 3 VWAPs are very important. With our VWAP indicator, it's automated for you. I'll put a link in the description for that as well. But these 3 VWAPs can give you a lot as far as direction of trend. So I'm looking at this and I'm seeing the bounce here at 7:30, the bounce at 8:15, the bounce at 8:30. I'm seeing the purple low of day VWAP above the overnight and previous day VWAP. That's super bullish to me. So I got long at 71 and closed it before market opened, 70 to 74. That was the first trade today. So that put me up 120 times 5. Remember, the title or the hook here I got you with, if you're watching this far, I got you with how I turned 200 into 1,000. Well, today, I only made $200 on each account. But because I'm copy trading with Top 1 Futures on the Project X platform, 200 here times 5, you see the 5 accounts, that's actually a $1,000 day. So now if we go to the second trade, I was up 120 on the first trade. Second trade today, I get long here on the break above the high of day VWAP. We see a nice rejection of the handoff in dark green. Handoff comes off of New York VWAP. If I'm speaking fast on VWAP language and you don't know what I'm talking about, you got to watch Futures 101. It's our highly, highly rated, highly regarded course. These are our reviews on Trustpilot. If you just go to asfx.tv or go to the link in the description, you can start watching Futures 101 yourself and start to understand how to use handoffs and high of day VWAPs for clean scalps like this. So then second trade of the day, 88 to 92. That was the second trade. So first trade, I was buying at 70, out at 74. Second trade, I'm buying at 88. I'm out at 92. Not trying to catch the whole move. I'm just scalping my way every day to green. Then the third and final trade to get me up $200 was here, 89 to 93. So best price was 70. Best exit was 93. 70 to 93 is 23 points. But I'm not going to get a straight line move of 23 points. Instead, what I do best is scalp it. Get some here. Let the shaking happen at the open. Get some here, get some here, get some here, right? This is the only one I missed today, was this middle piece here, which is okay. Still made money off the top here to add to the green day from the first trade. So overall, very, very good day today. $1,000, like I said. That's how I turned 200 into 1,000. Copy trading 5 accounts. I want to spend some time just going over Tuesday's trades as well. Had a really good read of the market yesterday. Pre-market, again, right? So if you're watching this video, you definitely need to come to ASFX TV and stream with us and watch the courses. We'll give you a free month. I'll put that link in the description. You can go get that free month at the link in my bio too on social media. So take advantage, because here again, you'll start to notice patterns if you're showing up every day. Look at how low of day VWAP is above previous day VWAP and the overnight VWAP, the daily VWAP. So I buy it, 89. I add into it. It looks great. I hold into it all the way into 9 o'clock, full out at 6,800. You can see 67.99 right at 9 a.m. into that surge. And then look at the open. It shakes. So I did really good to take this pre-market win yesterday. Same as today, right? Yeah, that's what the same thing, basically. And then the second trade yesterday, somehow market sells off. And when your boy sees it well, he just sees it well. We get some bullish pop at the open, and then it dips. It dips back into a decent price where I was long at 89 to 99. So then I buy it again at 93 and I get out at 97. So I'm in here at opening range low for a scalp right back into New York VWAP. And I hit my personal daily profit target, which ended up being very lucky for me because the market ended up coming down as the day went on. I don't know why I couldn't say that. But with this initial break of opening range low, opening range is your first 15-minute high and low. This initial breakout does not usually run all day. There's often a pullback. And I never short the initial breakout or buy the initial breakout. So what I do now sometimes is fade it back into the New York VWAP. And that worked out really nicely here. That was it yesterday. 2 clean trades, $2,000 yesterday. Did really well. Got $391 on each account. And yesterday, my wife was at the spa celebrating her birthday. Sent her there for a full day like treatment thing. So I was hanging out with my son. So it was super nice to have a great day and spend the day with the kid. So then this is Monday, red day on Monday. Long pre-market, 82 to 86. So I catch 4 points pre-market off of the overnight VWAP. You see what I'm doing? I'm buying bounces off of VWAP pre-market. That's it. So there it is on Monday. And then the second trade, I tried to short it and I stayed in it all day, defended the position. Well, not all day, all session until about 12 o'clock, defended the position, got in at 80, got out at 89. So I was short off New York VWAP, which if you look at the selling, you would think that this should leg down. And if it did, I'd want to be in it. But I didn't take it. I waited for the pullback. I then got in, said to myself, if I'm not in this and it goes lower, I'll be pissed. So I took the trade. I could have probably gotten out of it sooner, but sometimes with the smaller positions, I just let it go for better or for worse. And then I end up coming back at the end of the session and I say to myself, look, first break of opening range is here. Why am I not fading it? Well, that was Monday. I lost the trade. And then what did I end up doing the next day, Tuesday? I faded the opening range break to the downside and made money. So I'm learning, right? You learn from the losses on Monday, and then you have 2 great days, Tuesday, Wednesday. Now I'm traveling. Tomorrow, probably not trading, maybe a little in the afternoon. We'll see how I'm feeling. And then Friday seminar, no trading Friday. So maybe I get another trading day in this week. Right now, the accounts that you guys have been following me trade, these accounts, if I pull this out, this is just going to show you one account. You'll see, look at that equity curve, baby. Woo, that thing looks good. Only 2 big red days. That's it. They're not even that big. Break even days here and there, but crush it. So we're up 500 this month, they're saying. And then if you go back last month, 1,400. So we're up $2,000 and I have to get them to 3,000 in profit. And then I get to take out 2,500 from each account. So if you're looking to get funded, this 50K account opportunity with Top 1 Futures is the best in the industry. You've got great drawdown. You have an easy profit target. And when you can copy trade 5 accounts, the payout, instead of it being 2,500, it's over $12,000. And if you do that a couple of times, they're probably going to call you to a pre-live account. So hopefully for me, this round of accounts gets me that call up. We'll see, but I'm going to stay head down and focus. What I don't want to do is like burn it, right? With the seminar on Friday, I don't want to blow up this week. If I can make another $500, $400 tomorrow, great. And then finish it next week, make another video, take the payout next week. Happy days. So that's my plan. Thanks for watching all the way through. If you did, don't forget, tickets for the next event go on sale October 16th. It's Thursday. I'll post about it on my social media. Just follow me, Austin Silver FX, on every platform. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you in the next video.